everyone, I'm Kirti Shidoshi and today I'm here to tell you the story of Char Sahibzade. Char Sahibzade is an unforgettable story of the four sons of the 10th Guru of the Sikh, Guru Gobind Singh Ji. It is an important and integral part of the Sikh history. Guru Gobind Singh Ji had two wives, Mata Sahib Kaur and Mata Ji Kaur, along with four sons, Baba Ajit Singh, Baba Jujhar Singh Ji, Baba Zorawar Singh Ji and Baba Fateh Singh Ji. Guru Gobind Singh Ji was the son of Guru Tegh Bahadur Ji and Mata Gujri. Aurangzeb, the Mughal emperor, was quite disappointed with the formation of the Khalsa Panth led by Guru Gobind Singh Ji. He ordered the Mughal army to seize the Anandpur fort, and this siege continued till December 1704 for 7 months. At that time, Baba Ajit Singh Ji was about 18 years old, and he fought with the Mughal army and was a model of courage. But the people inside the Anandpur fort started dying of hunger, so Guruji decided to leave the fort on the night of 22nd December 1704. Mughals attacked them again, but there was nothing to worry as Baba Ajit Singh Ji were with them. As the convoy was passing, they came across the Sarsa River, which is marked as the separation point of the family of Guru Gobind Singh Ji. From here, Guruji along with the two eldest Sahibzade and 40 Sikh moved to Chamkaur, while the younger Sahibzade with Mata Gujri went to Saheri village, while Guruji's wife and along with other Sikh went to Delhi. As Guruji and others took shelter in the old fort of Chamkaur, there was a battle between the Mughals and Sikh, in which Baba Ajit Singh Ji and Baba Jujhar Singh Ji attained martyrdom. Filled with the zeal of these charging birds, Jo Bole Sonihal, Sat Shri Akal, the 37 Sikh warriors fought till their last breath. Gurudwara Katalgarh Sahib and Gurudwara Garhi Sahib are adored as the death place of these two. Yogi Allah Yar Khan mentioned, बस एक हिंद में पीठ है यात्रा के लिए, कटाए बाप ने बच्चे जहां खुदा ही. On the other hand, Mata Gujri, along with two younger Sahibzade, met their servant Gangu, who they thought can be trusted about, but was dishonest with them. He told the Mughals about them and sent them to Morinda, in present-day Gurudwara Kotwali Sahib. And the next day, they were sent to Sarhad, and Nawab Wazir Khan was overwhelmed, and they were imprisoned in Thanda Burj on 24 December 1704, where Bhai Motiram Mehra provided them milk against the orders of the Nawab, and his family was punished for the same. On 25th December 1704, the Sahibzade were presented in the court and were forced to opt the Islam Dharma. But these two of 6 and 9 were firm enough in their decision. On the next day, on 26th December 1704, there was another hearing. And on this day, the Nawab ordered to slay them to slay their heads and nail them into the wall. My dear friends, the Sahibzadas were blessed to be born as a son of Guru Gobind Singh Ji, but it doesn't mean that they get all the strength and knowledge in legacy. They have done it themselves. We should also learn to be fearless and strong, and we should not be proud of what we achieve in our life. Instead, we should keep on learning every day. Thank you.